In this video, we will learn how to create an event post. To create event post, make sure you are on home page. To create your first post, click on event post type. First of all, select social media accounts where you want to post event. Upload your event cover, which will show on your event post. Now add your event title here. Now here, add your event description or generate via A based on title of event. Add your event starting date and time here. Add your event ending date and time here. Select whether your event is free, online, or repetitive. Select capacity so people book event according to that. Select location where event will be held. Add your own hashtags or pick from suggestions based on your title. You can tag people from here in your event post. Now, click on Post to post your event. Here, you can see your published event post. To view all events you have created, click on Events from left-hand navigation. Here is list of all your created events.